Let's all be healthy, let's all be new. Let's all survive, together we can get through. Oh, we rise, we heal, we grow.
Meet James, mid-30s, always on, always wired. His calendar was full, his inbox overflowing, his sleep optional. Everyone said that's just life. And James believed it until his body didn't. He started forgetting little things, losing focus, snapping at people he cared about. He thought he needed more willpower, but what he really needed was recovery. Stress isn't just mental, it's chemical. When cortisol stays high, it wrecks your sleep, hormones, gut energy, and the longer it stays, the more it costs you. James started walking again. He went to bed on purpose. He unplugged just a bit. And he found a new rhythm, backed by nature, supported by science. He added 3 simple tools: Adaptogen Blend to calm cortisol, Magnesium to restore sleep and nerve function, and Adrenal Support to bring his system back into balance. Weeks in, he wasn't perfect, but he was himself again, present, rested, steady. At Balanced Life, we don't believe stress is a badge of honor. We believe in the recovery it leads to. Clean ingredients, thoughtfully chosen, third-party tested. Discover more at balancedlifesups.com. This video is for informational purposes only and does not diagnose or treat any condition. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplement.
Balanced life, it may